system heading our way, and we just saw a system Friday, and this one even seems like you guys are timing this out to be more tomorrow, Kevin, right?
Correct. It doesn't mean we can't see something strong or severe later this afternoon and this evening and overnight, but the better threat comes in during the day tomorrow, and the track of this system is slowing down. So instead of it being out of here by around noon or 1 o'clock, it's going to be a few hours later than that. So it's got a great wind field, good upper level dynamics, and we may wrap in a little more heat and energy with this system. And that's why there's now an elevated threat for tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Cloudy out there right now, but the good news is the rain is shifting out of here. We've had a lot of it. We could put that on hold. I wish we could, but there's probably another ½ inch to 1 inch of rain coming before all is said and done. Strong to severe storms possible tonight through tomorrow. Doesn't mean we'll all see them, but hail, wind, even tornadoes, all possible. The best chances from about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning till about 3 or 4 in the afternoon before that shifts easterly. And then a dry, brisk, and cooler Thursday for the Whitecaps home opener at 6:35 at LMCU Ballpark. There's not a lot left on the radar imagery here as far as rain is concerned, except along and south of the I-94 corridor. All that is shifting off to the east, so I think for a good chunk of this day we will be dry. Temperatures are 43 in Grand Rapids and Ionia, 39 in Big Rapids, mid-40s elsewhere, so it's fairly mild out there. This is what the radar looked like about 6 hours ago. All that conveyor belt of moisture is moving on through the area. We had a flood watch out a little bit earlier, but that since has been canceled. You can see it's drier out here, and that's the air mass that we're expecting to get into. This is almost a carbon copy of what we had last weekend. This is the severe weather outlook for today. Best threat is out here, not in our area, and then down to the south. As you go away from that area and you move to our location, most of Michigan is under the least threat category, the marginal threat, except if you're west of US 131, a little bit higher, a slight risk, but my concern is more for tomorrow than it is for tonight. Today we're talking mostly cloudy, breezy conditions. We may see more scattered showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon and then through the evening and the overnight hours. Daytime highs this afternoon about 55 degrees with an east wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. This system is going to bring some wind with it. That's in addition to the small scale winds that could occur from thunderstorms or maybe the possibility of tornadoes. This is 9 o'clock this morning. As this warm front approaches, we may see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, and also through the evening and the overnight hours as that warm front nudges in here. We'll get in the warmer air. Tomorrow we'll be up around 70 degrees. It's going to be a windy day, but this system is a little slower to track through the area, and that's why everything is kind of in place. And as it slows down, a little more heat, a little more energy, it puts us in a little bit higher risk for severe weather tomorrow. And if we see some sunshine tomorrow, that is not a good thing. We want to keep the cloudy skies so we don't add that sunshine and more heat and energy to help fuel those storms. But this will shift out of the area by probably about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, and the threat will diminish at that time. Cooler, drier air filters in for Thursday. We'll see some sunshine there as well, and that's just in time for the Whitecaps home opener. But make sure you wear some warm clothes because it's probably going to be chilly. Here's the severe weather outlook for tomorrow. We were in the yellow yesterday. Now we've been elevated to the enhanced risk. That's category 3 out of 5 for all of lower Michigan pretty much. What are those threats that are on the table? Hail size up to about golf ball size will be possible. Wind gust up to about 60 to 70 miles per hour. And look at the elevated risk of tornadoes. A few tornadoes, stronger ones too. EF1, EF2, EF3, certainly possible. Doesn't mean we'll see them, but meteorologically the ingredients are there. And to add even more fuel to the fire and insult to injury, we've got probably another ½ inch to 1 inch of rain that's going to be coming in here before this system is out of here. So we're in the mid-50s today. Best threat for severe weather about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning till about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Highs around 70 degrees, windy conditions, and we're cooler and drier. A little brisk and blustery for Thursday, 45 degrees there. Good Friday, 50 degrees, and some sunshine. Easter Saturday and Easter Sunday look good with more shower chances coming in for the beginning of next week on Monday. By the way, when you look at those numbers, I can tell you temperatures about 53 degrees. That's normal for this time of the year. Let's check traffic at 7:20. Here's Rob.